Hola, good morning. This is Elsie. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, and I'm coming up with you today for another reaction to one of the performers of the Idol Kids Philippines. Her name is Alexa, and she's gonna be singing the song Banal na Aso. Yeah, actually, I was supposed to upload this last Friday yet. I had second thought because of copyright issues. As I'm actually a fan of Idol Kids Philippines, I always watch it, especially the live. But then I always had a second thought of doing a reaction because of copyright issues. That every time that I do react on it, there is always a copyright issue. Yes, so with that being said, let's go, guys. Let's all watch this. Come on, dive in. Okay, here we go, Alexa. Hala? Hello? Si Jad Sangge. Iconic ang reaction. Galing niya. Oh. Wow. Ayan, tutok na tutok si JK. Oh, wow. Ang galing niya, galing niya. Oh, wow. Ilang taon na siya? Ilang taon na siya? Ang galing niya. Pati si Regine, tutok na tutok. Oh, God eh. Aliw na aliw si Angge. Ayan o, tignan mo ang concentration ng mga judges. Bigla silang napakoncentrate. Ang galing niya. Oh. Oh, isa ko ang father niya. Oh. Alam niya yung kanta niya, no? Parang very expressive ang mga expressions. Galing, oh. Galing pati pagtawa. Oh, galing. Standing ovation. Yeah, standing ovation. That was a blast. She's authentic, magnificent, stunning. Yeah, so entertaining to watch. The reaction of the judges, particularly Angge, yeah, it added more entertainment. Yeah, iconic. Alexa killed it. Ang galing niya. Authentic version. I like this version. And she's so entertaining, right? Nakakaalaw siyang panoorin kasi nakikita mo kung gaano siya kahanda. Alam niya ang message ng song na kinakanta niya. Kaya, yeah, she was able to deliver the story of the song so effectively. Very effective siya sa emotions, sa storytelling. Like I said, so entertaining. Yeah, and if you're watching, please do subscribe and write where you're watching from. So I would know how far this video have reached. Yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.